All right, we're here. We got the acetylene kit. Comes with 2 tips, a hose, and a regulator, and the whatever you want to call the handle. This thing's pretty nice.
What's it called again?
It's the TurboTorch Acetylene Kit. It's the X4B. This comes with the bigger tip on it, which comes in good handy. It comes with this tip, and it comes with that tip. Comes with the regular hose, the handle, quick disconnect tip. This is the way to go if you're going to get a acetylene torch set up. If you want to see it fired up real quick, you open that handle, adjust the temperature, and that's it. These are the best that they got out there, the TurboTorch.
And that little John you just had in your hand, that's a that came with the tip? Or
No, this did not come with it. This is a piezo spark igniter. This is the 4-knee safe lighter or whatever. I just like it rather than using one of them ones with the flints in it. But it's kind of nice. We'll see how long this one lasts, but boom, done. But it comes with the adjustment on and off your tank, how filled up your tank is. Only thing I don't like about it is the placement of this hose. I'm gonna have to see if I can probably spin it down, but then my handle is gonna be down, or if I spin it down this way, my gauge is gonna be down. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But other than that, this is the best way to. This is the best one you can get. The only way you want to go.
How many plungers?
Definitely a 4.5 out of 5.